JR with OMG Carpet Cleaning in Citrus Carpet Cleaning Atlanta. We're on a 12:30 job here. It's about 12:30. We got a pretty big spot right here. I pre-treated part of it to see how well it'd come out, and of course it neutralized and went away as soon as I pre-treated it, but I just used a trigger sprayer, so that spot should come out nice. We're in Buford, Georgia. So we got a set of stairs and then a hallway, a master, an office. There's a couple spots here which are just little spills, it looks like. Brought in some pre-treatment. And then I think there's 2 other bedrooms. So 1, 2, 3, 6 areas total. So this would be a $240 job. And also, as always, spots are included. A lot of carpet cleaners do charge extra for spots, Zero Res in particular. They charge $40 to $90 per area to have spots taken care of, which I think is interesting because typically people are getting their carpet cleaned because they have spots. And if spots are not included, then the big question is what do they actually do for what they charge? Inquiring minds want to know. So there's that spot. That spot. That's not even a spot, that's just where the carpet's laying. So like I said, it's about 12:30. We'll knock this out, and there won't be much to see for the after video, but we'll shoot it anyway. Okay guys, as you can see, it's 10 after 1. Just finished up with this $240 job. Paying my credit card, so there's a 9% charge. 6% for the new app tax and $3 grand credit card, so the total is $261.60. Stairs came out good as expected. Everything else, it would be nice if all of our jobs were this easy. The first job I was on, it was 10 areas. I was there from 9 to 11 something, so it was definitely not a fun job like this. These are the fun, easy, profitable jobs we like to do. The first job this morning was just one of those ones you had to take to bed with the good. But that was from 9 to like 11. It was a $400 job. This was a $260 job. 4 areas, stairs, and a hallway, so a total of 6 areas. Was basically 3 bedrooms, stairs, and a hall. So that's it for now. We got one more job this afternoon. Another 5-area job, which would be another $200 job. So that will make it let's see, 4 for the first job, $650. So about an $800 a day. Again, no per spot fees, no upsells, no hidden charges. If you're interested in the carpet cleaning business, we'd love to teach you what we do. Set your own schedule, set your own hours, set your own rate of pay. It's a pretty good gig. So JR with Citrus Carpet Cleaning Atlanta, a VLM company. So we use low moisture. No per spot fees, no upsells, things of that nature. 770-652-0630 or online at citruscarpetcleaningatlanta.com. As always, be kind. Thanks for watching. Take care, and we'll see you next time.